Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I want to show you that how to fix transfer error in the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle. So our first method is so simple, you have to just change the network connection from the mobile data to the Wi-Fi. And similarly, if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it to the mobile data. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. Keep in mind that the stable network connection is most important step for transferring data in the Dokkan Battle. So after changing the network connection, you have to just restart the router by turning on the airplane mode for 2 to 3 seconds and again turn it off. Doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to the next method, you have to just open your Play Store or App Store and search here for your Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle app and then check that if it is updated or not. If not, then you have to just update it. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just move to the third method. You have to just try to uninstall the app and again install it. So uninstallation will remove the corrupted file that is causing the transfer error. And the last and the final solution is that you have to just contact to the support team and they will fix and transfer your data to a new account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.